Part of what makes theater really dynamic here is all of the various art forms that are present, because theater is really a melding of them. Santa Fe is known as an arts community. We, of course, have the visual arts. We, of course, have the opera, but we also have Wise Fool creating circus arts here in town with a socially conscious bent. We've got the dance community with an amazing flamenco scene here. And all of these art forms get to commingle with each other in a way that they couldn't do in a larger community. And that's true with the cultures in Santa Fe as well. It's a place of different elements coming together and making something new and something really unique. A lot of people come to Santa Fe from all over the world, and we end up with a real amazing wealth of talent. And all of these people influence what we end up presenting. You've got all of these different cultures, some tracing back to Spain, some tracing back to the Native Americans, some tracing back to the other Europeans who came on the Santa Fe Trail. You can see how all of these things are coexisting in the same place. You know, it's sort of what makes this place special, both physically, but also emotionally as well. The people, the energy, the beauty of this place is all of those things combined.